Hey guys, this is Tony from Zhengzhou Jinhe Machinery Manufacturer Company. We are over 13 years manufacturer of mixing equipment. You can see this is our JHT laboratory mixer and our JHX industry using large batch mixer. Our JHX from 50 liters to 12,000 liters. So if you want a large batch powder mixing, you can choose our JHX model. Today, I will introduce our JHT laboratory mixer. Our JHT mixer is a small design and desktop powder mixer. Inner is full-size blade. Blade and barrel are replaceable. Let me show you. Open this line. Then the barrel can remove. Use a screwdriver to unscrew it. The blade will remove too. Let it working. The blade and the barrel are 360 degrees rotary, and the blade speed is 2 times faster than the barrel. And you can adjust the speed by yourself. It will slow and turn right, the speed will faster. This model has 3 models, JHT5, JHT10, and JHT20. From 2 liters to 20 liters available. If you want small batch powder mixing, you can choose our JHT laboratory mixer. It mainly used in formula research and small powder batch mixing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.